So a 2014 Nissan Rogue has a good bit of peeling we're going to take care of. Okay, so I'm using my rotary sander with a 220 grit. I'm going to sand and get as much as I can. Oh, well that was... Okay, so I forgot to cut on my jacket regenerator. That wasn't planned, but it worked out great because you guys get to see my jacket regenerator now. Okay, here we go. Now the parts I couldn't get, I'm going to get a 220 piece of 220 grit sandpaper. I'm going to unfortunately have to sand that by hand. So I got a piece of 220 grit sandpaper, just folded it in half. I've used this one a couple times before. Just want to make sure I get all that peeling gone. See how it pops off? So I'm going to start with this darker graphite wheel color. I wiped everything down. I went ahead and I put cards all the way around. Normally I just do in a local spot. It's going to be hard to see on camera, but these rims are bad about fading out like you see the peeling. So I'm going to, the spots that are faded out, I'm going to blend in, which is pretty much all the way around. I don't know if you can tell on camera, I do realize it's a little bit darker, but it's where I want to start. This is a good base coat. It's not off by much. I know the camera's not going to do it justice, but just off by a touch. Now that will be good as new. Two coats. Now I've got the engine running because this car was hard to start, so it helps it dry a little bit faster. And so there you are. 2014 Rogue. Now it's good as new.